So I'm doing some origami. It's a lot of fun. Dude, this is tough. A lot of mess ups. Fun tidbit is that origami is the art of folding napkins, discovered by people in Sweden during dinners. They don't communicate very well or talk, or dinner conversations are actually pretty boring. So they started folding napkins.
Unfortunately, the plan didn't quite work out as I wanted it to. So there's quite a bit of a crush there.
Well, I mean, it looks fixable.
What are we gonna do about that?
We need every hand in here and then slide it directly backwards onto the lift.
Hey. Don't break it. Okay, don't break that either. We still need that.
A little bit of super glue and spit will buff out.
The dolly is now broken.
Whoa! Was that like Death Race? Where they put out the spikes out of the wheels and...
Yeah. That's the first hit, and then that's the... We gotta get this thing done tonight. I think we have two weeks to get this fixed. And it's gotta go to a frame rack. Yeah, we got a lot of work to do.
Test was good. I was just pretty nervous. I did. Tester was awesome, and the 509 guys from next door driving school were awesome. Now I have my CDL and can drive the big rigs.
All right, so I think we have about 30 hours till we have to leave for Austin, Texas, Circuit of the Americas. Pierre is stripping the old subframe, took the engine out, and we're gonna move everything out of this one into this one. Motor, transmission. We got Alex doing the alignment on the 30 car, and then we'll get to the 31 car we have sitting here. Or wait, it's not there. It's at the body shop, getting the frame rail straightened. Hopefully get that tonight, and then we get to, once he's done assembling that, drop all that into that car, load them in the trailer, and head to Texas. Right?
Sexy!
Flirting with the camera.
The shipment was supposed to be here today by 11 a.m. As you know, if you can do whatever you can to get it from Memphis to us tonight, we are wheels up Saturday night loaded. We don't have any extra time. So we have a shipment being prepared and expressed over here of various body parts and panels that are needed to get this car put back together so we can make COTA. The shipment is still not here. We're supposed to arrive at 10:30 this morning. It's just afternoon, and we don't have parts to put our race car together. So we are praying to the race car gods that the parts arrive in time. If they do, I know our crew is gonna bust their asses to get it together. So let's hope for the best, I guess.
Jimmy, do it. Drop her down.
Just got the car back, so it's 6:24 at night, about 20 hours or so. Yeah, a little bit of work.
Already gone to the lift point?
Fine.
choose.
Most important. What? What? I wasn't gonna.
I'm
I wasn't
sensitive.
I wasn't gonna lick him on camera.
Sensitive.
We couldn't get the parts in time, shipped up to Spokane, so we drove 30 hours to the parts.